should.
No, I would love like a little 30 centimeter jack. That'd be so cool.
I'm on. Yep. I think so. Alright guys. Welcome back everyone to another video. In this video we are down exploring a creek on the kayaks. James over there. We're having fun. We've caught some really nice fish. Gonna go keep exploring. Really nice day for it. Overcast, bit of rain here and there. Got my bait cast set up and I'm throwing around these zman 3-inch minnows in pearl on a snake locks 1/6. They have been producing. And yeah, we're gonna see if we can keep catching some more fish. Hope you guys enjoy. Yeah. If we catch fish.
Jamesy is featured once again.
Oh yeah.
The fans are gonna be so happy.
You might be the most featured person on my channel, I reckon.
Nah, Joey more than me.
No. I've gone with him a lot of times, but the times that I have gone with him, the video hasn't been that great.
Yeah, that's a very good point.
Right, let's put this.
Wait. I want to move my chair more forward. Look at me,
Put the rudder down. This might be a bit shallow here, James. I'll just start having some cast, bro.
Oh, mate. Catching without me, eh?
With a prawn, I would fish slowly, James.
Oh yeah, I'll try my best. Oh, yeah, I just do the worst casting history as soon as I say I'll try my best.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, James, just hook him, mate.
I'm trying. What was that?
Flatty, brim, probably brim.
Oh, I've been trying to fish in ages. Since yesterday, mate. Oh.
James. Cast again. Oh no, I was on. Yeah, wow, bro. It's like 2 meters deep. I'm on. Yep. I think so. Oh, big cod. Big cod. Wow. Bro, it hit the water and I was on. It's a big cod. Yes, bro. We're on the board. Do you mind just like doing a hold up for me? Do you mind doing a hold up for me? He's not massive, but he's a good cod. He's a nice size one.
Yeah.
Cool?
Yeah, let's see.
It's kind of barely pinned. Oh, he's spitting up prawns.
Yeah, see?
Yeah. Look, if you look down his mouth. Alright, nice cod. Probably just around that 40, maybe 41, 42. Probably 40. But on that zman minnow, just casted right into deeper structure. And yeah, got smoked. So nice, we'll chuck him back. Good to be on the board. Nice cod. Sick.
You then a little brim nibble.
Yeah, should.
Oh, no, I would love like a little 30 centimeter jack. That'd be so cool.
Yeah. Oh no!
Fish?
Yes, bro. Oh, I'd let it drop inside one of the roots and it just took off, and I just had a little bit too much slack. That could have been a jack. And I've got a mad tangle because I just went to hook set on slack line. Oh, flip. Yep. Flatty. Alright guys, little flatty. I'm gonna try and just dehook him in the water because I don't want to deal with him. There he goes. Huh? Smally. Oh, doinked! Doinked! Nah, flatty, another one. Doinked it, bro. Flip. Oh, flip! Oh my gosh. Oh, frick. Yes. I'm in a bit of a pickle. Flip, no. I need to wash my bait caster right now. Ah, fudge. I knew that was gonna happen, holding it between my feet. He's small, bro. Compared to the ones we've been getting at the drain, he's actually very small. There we go. Go away, Slatty. Alright, I need to wash my bait cast reel. I'm just pouring water on it. And it should be fine.
We sure hope so.
Okay. Bro, he literally pulled it in. There you go. Use this.
One last call, little boy.
Okay, let me get I'll get another pearl weedless one. Rig out.
Got him. Yeah.
Flatty?
Yeah.
Nice. Let's go, James. You're on the board, man. James is a nice flatty.
Oh crap. There we go.
Just send him back.
Little fella.
45.
Yeah.
45.
Oh, we'll give him 50.
Nah, I don't know.
Oh dear.
That's not how you release a flatty.
Yeah, well,
I'm kidding. Nice. James is on the board.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are a bit more appealing. You know what I mean?
Bro, that branch there's moving.
What?
That branch there's moving.
Didn't hear what you said, but
The branch there's moving. Like there's a fish on, or like a bull shark or something.
oh dear. Do you reckon we passed any bullies?
Maybe. I mean, like Mangrove Jack push far up, but like this creek would be like half a meter deep at low tide, which isn't too low. Like it's not. Move your rod, dingus. Oh, James. Good old-fashioned way. Oh, it's not even bad.
You're lucky that I have two things. Self-control and a good temper.
Go, wind in, James.
People say I'm quite scary when I get angry.
Oh, bro! I saw the jack eat that. Yeah, it was a little jack. Oh, flip. Bugger. He was literally like 15, 20 centimeters. He was micro.
That absolute TC.
Bro, I'm on spot lock right now. Current's gone one way, the wind's gone the other.
Oh, yeah.
These have been some of my favourite lures over the last month. Z-Man 3-inch minnow and right now the duo shad's up there as well. Those are actually right now top 3. Z-Man Elite's prawn, 3-inch minnow and duo shad. 3 of my top 3, those are my top 3 jack lures.
Jack lures, really?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, bro, if I could, oh look, there's like a pipe. It's not that deep in there though, but I'll just roll one off. Bro, there's yeah, in there. Oh, you can cast him, he's not that far down. Try again. Try again.
Close, I swear.
So we're just taking a break, guys. Have been peppering from about 5:30 to 10 o'clock now. We've done some hours, we've caught some fish. Eating some food right now, just relaxing. But yeah, we'll keep fishing pretty soon. Tide might turn, it's pretty high right now. Ugh. But yeah. Hopefully we can get a jack. That's what we're aiming for, getting a jack. James lost one.
Yeah, got me in the snags, broke me off. Quite sad.
Yeah. Hopefully we can pick that one off. But yeah, we'll see you back in the fishing.
Stop, I literally got like a 4 on my foot at once.
I see him.
Check out Josh instead. He's got an affinity with mozzies.
Bro, I cannot get forward, bro.
Is the lure out?
No. I just got stung by something.
Where?
They're on me.
By what?
I do not know. It looked like a wasp. Oh, it burns so bad.
Wait, do you have water on you?
Oh, get off. It's biting me. Ow. It stung me again. Oh, they're on me. They're bees. They're wasps. They're wasps, bro.
Oh, they are wasps.
Bro, I need to get out of here.
Bro, you must be in a nest.
Oh yeah, there's a nest there. James, help me. James, help me. There's a nest on the... Oh, there's a nest on the tree. I got stung 3 times. Oh, I need to get back. That's worse than mossy bites. James. Flip.
I once walked into one while climbing a tree and it stung my face.
Yeah, we're saying goodbye to the creek for now. We're gonna head to a new zone. Hopefully get a jack there. It's currently probably like 1 o'clock, midday, slack of tide.